Hey guys, what's going on? Cody from Matt Vapes Easily here, and I got a new video for you today on a new device that we just got in. It is the Smok Veneno yeah. So this is the pretty much the newest kit from Smok. It looks very similar to like the Alien style or the Pro Color style, except it's got these little chevrons here on the front and on the back, and those don't light up right now because I think I have that turned off. Let me go and turn that on real fast so I can show you. We'll do that. No. Everything has a different kind of menu, so it's hard to... Always on. There we go. Alright, so there's what it does, and it'll light up those two chevrons in the front, and then all of those chevrons in the back. And they glow all kinds of different colors. The chipset in here is very similar to the Pro Color or the Mag. It seems like they have this chip for just about everything now. So you've got your wattage mode where you can cycle through all that stuff. And then you've got your puff counter. You've got your screen setting to change the color of the screen stuff, like the text. I like the green. So then you also, that's where your light sensor comes in. And then you've also got your power on and off button. And then, of course, just these two, the chevron-looking thing right here is your wattage up and down, of course. But overall, it's a very similar product to all of the other Smok products. It just looks a little bit different. It is a little bit hefty, I would say, compared to some of the other ones. But we have it in like this Superman or Spider-Man blue and red here. And then we also have it in black and red. They have other colors, of course, but these are just the two that we got in for now. It does come with the Baby Beast, the Big Baby Beast Light Edition, so you'll be able to glow that up and all that good stuff and change the colors on it and things like that. I think we have a video already on our YouTube channel where I burn a coil out in one, so if you want to check that out, check that out. Everything that, well, let's read what it says on the back of the box. So it says, Veneno Kit like the famous bull in the bullfighting, wild and unbreakable. Decorating with 7 LED lights at front and back, it will shine your vaping experience. Its 225 watt high power can meet your various demands. 1.3 inch colorful screen can show you detailed information clearly and ergonomically. Designed fire key makes it comfortable to hold. Alright, so we had a customer walk in, but pretty much the ergonomically designed fire key makes it comfortable to hold, combining with fashionable TFV8 Big Baby Light Edition. You are definitely the dominator of the vapor fight. Innovation keeps changing the vaping experience as the usual, you know. So this kit comes with the mod, of course, the Big Baby Light Edition, a Q2.4 ohm coil installed, and then a T8.15 in the box. Then, of course, you get your 6 pair of O-rings to change the color on your tank, your replacement glass tube, your cable, and then your literature. So we'll just open the box up real quick and take a look at everything. But it's pretty much a very similar experience to any other Smok product you've ever purchased or looked at. So literature, charge cord, rings for your tank, some O-rings, or some vape bands, your spare glass, and then what's in this bag? Oh, okay. Yeah, and then spare O-rings for your tank, your spare coil, all that good stuff. So that's everything in the box. Overall, I mean, you know, they keep saying innovation is changing the vaping experience. Okay. I don't know. I mean, personally, like, it's the same chip. It's a different look on the box, which is cool. I definitely like the style of this one better than some of the other ones. As far as how it hits, really like any of the other Smok products, but overall, if you're looking for something that's very dependable, very easy to use, definitely a long-running company that's been producing this stuff for a long time, definitely check this kit out. It's very affordable compared to some of the other kits, but that's really what I've got for you for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and be sure to get back to you, alright? Peace.